Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm Gurpal and you're watching Tech Time, where there's always time for tech. And in today's video, we're going to unbox the Poco C3 and I'm going to give my initial impressions about the phone. At the time of posting this video, it is available for only rupees 64.99 on Flipkart. So if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Without waiting any further, let's get started. Let's first start off by opening the box with a trusty knife. And just to let you guys know that at the time of posting this video, the phone is available at Flipkart for a discounted price of 6499 rupees. That's after applying in the requisite discounts and other payment card options. Let's see the box now. It has the C3 logo on the top and on the right hand side. And on the back it shows some features of the phone, like the triple camera, the 5000 mAh battery, the 6.53-inch display, and that it's powered by the MediaTek G35 processor. Now let's open it up and see what we get inside. We see the phone on the top. Let's put that aside for the moment and see what else we get. Let's take this out and see what's underneath. So we can see the charging cable. It's a USB-A to a micro USB cable. Since this phone only supports a micro USB port, it doesn't have a USB-C port. It has a 10-watt power adapter. Now let's open this box up. It has the SIM injection tool at the back and only some paperwork inside. This phone doesn't come with a case as other Poco products, but that's mainly because of the price. Now let's have a look at the phone. The phone has a really solid feel in the hand, although it is a plastic phone, but I think because of the large battery, it has a really good weight in the hand. Now let's have a look at the ports. It has a 3.5mm jack at the top, the volume rocker and the power button on the right hand side, which have good feel to them. The SIM tray on the left, which supports 2 SIMs and has a dedicated micro SD slot. At the bottom, we have the micro USB charging port and the mono speaker. This phone also comes with a splash-proof P2I coating and corrosion-proof ports. Now let's boot it up for the first time and I'll go through the setup process. The setup process was fairly simple and straightforward. It took less than 5 minutes. This phone comes with MIUI 12 straight out of the box, which is based on Android 10, and it comes with Poco Clean Experience, which guarantees no ads, but it did come with a lot of bloatware which I deleted. The phone feels decently snappy. This particular model has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, and it has the Helio G35 processor. The UI felt smooth, but this is definitely not meant for gaming. Now let's have a quick look at the cameras. It has a 13 megapixel main sensor and 2 2-megapixel sensors. Basically, it only has one sensor. Only the 13 megapixel sensor works. The other 2 are just there for show. As you can see with the photos, it works decently if there's a well-lit environment, but it really struggles when there is less light. Color reproduction is also okay for the money you've spent. Now let's test the audio quality of the mono speaker by watching a YouTube video by Tech Time. Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm Gurpal and you're watching Tech Time, where there's always time for tech. And today we've got the setup, speed test, and review video of the Teco M4 mesh wireless system which we unboxed a few days back. If you haven't seen that video, the link will be in the top right corner of your screen right now. So if you like the content, do subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Watch this video till the end if you're looking to purchase a mesh wireless system for your home. So without waiting any further, let's get started. Particular head. And now we're going to see it right now. So it's in my bedroom, so I'm going to select that. It's really easy to cover the mono speaker with your palm and block all the sound. Well, if you're in the market for a phone in this price bracket, I don't think anything beats this phone. This phone has my recommendation. That's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, click the like button and ask me any questions regarding the Poco C3 in the comments down below. Also, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to be notified whenever we post a new video. Follow Tech Time on social media where we post regular updates on the latest tech developments. Our social media handles will be in the description. I'm Gurpal. You've been watching Tech Time. See you guys in the next one.